If you're looking for Gears wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Gears wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Soledi. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by GSlife. Number 3, by Timelike. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Maple's Clock. Number 5, by Deco 79. Find these Gears wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Maple's Clock. Number 7, by Techtongda. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Design Toscano. Number 9, by Harper Boulevard. Discover more Gears wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Kickerland.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.